Picture yourself in the 2020 Acura MDX. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Experience the power, luxury, and superior handling of the MDX. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the chance to experience the luxury and performance of the MDX. Call us today to set up a test drive.